Hi, my name's Emma and I work in the kennels here. We're looking to expand our kennel blocks, so we need some extra funding so that these lovely beauties can have nicer, warmer, prettier kennels, so we can have more time to play. We are also getting asked to take a lot more dogs, so we do need more space to help save these dogs from being out on the street or in the pound. Thank you. This is what we want to revamp first. It's dark and it's cold, a bit too damp. The wood's sort of falling apart, needs more paint, just anything really to make it look a little bit better, make their life a bit better.
Right, on the right is our isolation block. It's old, it's wooden, it's really absolutely awful building. To actually replace that, rebuild it, it's going to cost us about £30,000. So that's project number one. On my left, which is just a wasted space, we want to put 4 more kennels up. They're going to be a cost of about £20,000. Volunteers, basically, who could do DIY stuff, painting the kennels, any repair work that needs doing to the kennels, all on a voluntary basis, hopefully.